Alright guys, they talk about the dangers of cross-dressing, okay? So, I don't know, I just don't think there's really any danger to cross-dressing. Unless you like want to transition and then you want to detransition, right? Unless you are so petrified that people will find out, right? I mean, the thing is, all in all, right, like cross-dressing is just something that people end up doing. I think a lot of times it is something that's like hard for people, right? Because they tend to do this secretly and they think, oh, especially a lot of them might be married, all these things that come out of it, right? So I mean, there's a girl that talked about the dangers of cross-dressing, and she's a doctor, I forget what her name was, she's a YouTube creator. I forgot what she was saying. Oh, I didn't see the whole video, so I didn't watch the whole video because she was going on and on about stuff saying, how exciting it is to get your first outfit, whatever, right? And then she was going to get into the dangers, but I kind of was like, whatever, I'm not going to watch it. She's like a good creator, I'm sure, but I was just like, whatever, I'll just ad lib, right? But yeah, I don't know what she was going to say about what was the dangers of cross-dressing. I mean, maybe, and the thing is, I don't think there really is a danger unless you're the kind of person that takes things very seriously or you have a hard time. I mean, for the most part, I think being trans, not that being trans is something that people accept right away, or people, there's a lot of, and there are a lot of things, issues, right? Especially in the States, I mean, there's laws against it, stuff like that, right? There are laws against it, there's things that make it hard for people to do, there's obviously certain stats about crime as well, related to that as well, right? But I mean, if you're the type of person that's just easygoing, laid back, I mean, I'm not trans, so I don't fully know everything about it, but I do my videos all the time, right? People know I'm Melina, right? But I don't worry about such things, and some people might never worry about those things, and maybe some people do, but I mean, some people might be more obvious than others. I mean, I'm really pretty as a girl, really good looking as a guy. I mean, if I was trans, no one would even know that I'm a guy, right? Really? But, besides my voice, but I mean, if I didn't say anything. I think, when you are trans, though, it's a different lifestyle, right? You're worried about what people think of your voice. You're worried about who you are as a person sometimes. And it can be extreme. But then there are other people that just don't care, right? There's a lot of people that, even if they have masculine voice or they don't look totally feminine, they're not going to worry about it. And there's some people that are just like, oh my God, can't be out, or they might have had a sex exchange, and they might have worried about that, right? But in general, there are some people that just don't worry about stuff and that don't get into bad situations, and some people that do, right? And obviously you can't help bad situations with this, but there are a lot of people that are very most people don't get into a bad situation. Most people are fine, right? But I mean, I can see how, she was going on about the danger. She was going to go on about the danger, but I didn't watch the full video. But I mean, in general, what are some things that would come to mind as the dangers? I mean, yes, I mean, if there's laws against it, or if you don't feel safe, or you meet someone that's not comfortable with your transness, right? But in general, I mean, it's more and more popular nowadays. People are thriving as trans people. I mean, I don't see it as being too much of a problem, especially if that's all you're doing. I mean, if all you're doing is cross-dressing, and you like it, and you don't want to take it to the next level, I mean, I don't see a harm in that, really. But I mean, I think it just depends on your mind and who you are as a person. So if your mind is good and you're sharp as a person, and you don't worry about judgment or anything, and you don't worry about what people are going to think at all, then you're going to be fine, right? So there are ways to not really have dangers of cross-dressing. I think maybe what she was doing was trying to title the video that, so people can see what they possibly are, and then they can make their own decisions, right? But yeah, I mean, I should have watched the video because I would have liked to see what she was saying about that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye guys. I'm going to make longer videos now. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. Thank you. Bye now.